If you want to remove something from a photo on Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, we need to open the Photos app, and then we're going to open a photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Now we're going to tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen, and you can, for example, tap on the subject that you want to get rid of, and then we have the Erase option. You can also go to Actions in order to find Magic Eraser. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And after a short while, you should be able to choose, well, actually we don't even have to select anything, but essentially you should also be able to select, for example, the area. You can either brush, draw a shape around a subject, or tap on the subject in order to remove it from the photo. In some cases, if there is like just one thing that is on the photo, then the phone can pick it up and you should be able to erase it pretty much immediately. In case there is something that is left after erasing in an object, then you can still select the area, and as you saw just right now, you can still fix or try to improve these spots, and press this check in the bottom right corner in order to save these changes, and then save the photo by tapping on Save as Copy in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.